How to block spam calls on iPhone running iOS 26. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Apps. Then select Phone. Scroll down until you find Unknown Callers and tap on it. Here, you can choose how your iPhone handles calls from unknown numbers. To stop spam calls from ringing your phone, select Silence Unknown Callers. This will send unknown callers directly to voicemail while still showing them in your recent calls list. If you prefer, you can also choose Ask Reason for Calling, which prompts unknown callers to state why they're calling before your phone rings. And that's how to block spam calls on iPhone running iOS 26. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.